Ujunwa, I won't beg you something. This gym where we dey go, I beg respect yourself. I no want insult.
The only issue where I get with you na too much food. You dey eat too much. No kill yourself, oh. No be me send you.
Ujunwa, this thing dey too heavy, oh. You sure say I go survive this?
If na food, you no go say too heavy. You go chop and finish, still ask for more.
Ujunwa, you dey always talk out of point. How food take enter this topic now? You just dey find any small opportunity to insult me. I no blame you.
Wetin dey do you? See as you dey do like woman. This thing wey no dey heavy, you dey breathe as if you wan die. Carry that thing up, my friend.
Ujunwa, you no go take am easy. Who you want proof point for? Since you no heavy, come try am now. In fact, Ujunwa, I wan run. Come down.
Oh yeah, nah. I go show you say that thing na small case. Jesus, I no fit carry this thing. Oh.
Ujunwa, you must carry that thing. Na only mouth to get.
You're wicked. You don't wish me well at all.
Ujunwa, come increase this thing. Make I run fast. Come out here. I no get time for your insult.
Make her dey help your life, ungrateful man.
Ujunwa, come on, come on.
Ha! I talk am. I know say you go fall. Stand up, make we go.